Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is human consciousness. When divine presence comes alive in the brain. Ladies and gentlemen, there are moments when the mind grows still, the breath softens, and an inner luminosity begins to rise. In those rare instants, consciousness feels less like something contained within a body and more like a field through which the divine gently speaks. Science quietly supports this ancient truth that when the brain enters states of calm coherence, deeper regions such as the limbic system awaken into harmony, allowing presence, insight, and emotional clarity to surface like light emerging from water. It is in this subtle terrain that divine presence begins to come alive. Neuroscience reveals that the brain is not merely a processor of information but also a sensitive receiver and transmitter of subtle signals. In heightened states of awareness, during deep reflection, prayer, or sincere seeking, the limbic system, which governs emotion, bonding, and inner meaning, begins to resonate in unified rhythms. This resonance acts like an inner antenna, aligning the human system with a wider field of cosmic intelligence that ancient wisdom has long described as the breath behind creation. When such alignment occurs, wisdom is not forced, it unfolds. Compassion does not need cultivation. It rises naturally as if remembered, and courage emerges without struggle as though carried by an inner current. This triad, wisdom, compassion, courage, becomes active when consciousness enters coherence, allowing the spirit to radiate with the steadiness of an inner sun. In this state, positive thoughts transform into refined electrical patterns that illuminate intention and energize purposeful action. Actions taken in surrender to the Master Creator lose the weight of ego and gain the clarity of alignment, becoming both graceful and effective. Awakened consciousness also deepens the understanding of nature's 5 elements: Earth teaches grounding and stability. Water reveals flow and adaptability. Fire embodies transformation. Air represents freedom and movement. Space holds expansion and possibility. Time itself becomes an invisible companion, impartial, patient, shaping growth through cycles rather than haste. Through this reflective maturation, an inner compass begins to form, not driven by fear or desire, but guided by quiet signals, subtle intuitions, and the gentle pull of the divine within. The brain, in its receptive state, listens. Consciousness, in its awakened state, understands. What's the way forward? The path ahead lies in cultivating coherence, steadying thoughts, softening emotions, and aligning intention with deeper truth. Silent reflection, sincere seeking, and mindful engagement create the conditions for the brain to receive, resonate, and respond to higher guidance. By honoring nature, refining awareness, and allowing inner clarity to lead, life becomes a journey illuminated from within. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, when divine presence comes alive in the brain, consciousness blossoms into a state where insight becomes natural, compassion becomes effortless, and existence becomes meaningful. The human being becomes both a vessel and a beacon, grounded in reality, yet tuned to the cosmic intelligence that sustains all life. As Lord Krishna reminds in the revered Bhagavad Gita, when the mind rests in stillness and clarity, the light of the self reveals the path, and every step becomes guided from within. And in that silent guidance lies a gentle assurance. The divine is never distant. It waits quietly in the depths of awareness, ready to come alive the moment the mind remembers the inner switch that reconnects the brain to its timeless source. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.